Good morning everyone. Children, last time we have discussed about how do digestion take place in our alimentary canal. कहाँ कहाँ फूड की डाइजेशन होती है और कौन कौन से एंजाइम जो हैं वो डाइजेशन में हेल्प करते हैं. सो एज यू नो दैट डाइजेशन में what has happened in the digestion the complex food has converted into simpler food. Clear? And what was the complex food in a food? It is carbohydrate was there in a food, starch it may be starch present in a food, and there was protein also, which is also a complex molecule. There was protein और क्या क्या था? There was fat and many more. So these all are complex substances. Nucleic acid was also there. So these are the macromolecules. So we need to break them into simple form. So that's why digestion process take place. In digestion, starch get converted into the simplest form, that is glucose. Protein get converted into its simplest form, that was amino acid. And fat get converted into its simplest form, which was glycerol and fatty acid. And nucleic acid get converted into sugar, phosphate and nitrogenous bases. So now all these things, all these simple components, क्या क्या simple components हैं? Amino acid, we have glucose, we have sugar, we have nitrogenous base, we have fat, we have phospholipid, phosphate group, we have fatty acids, we have glycerol. These all are present in the small intestine. बिकॉज यू हैव स्टडीड कि ये दिस इज स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन और स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में आके डाइजेशन कंप्लीट हो जाती है. अब ये सारे के सारे सिंपल फूड आइटम कहाँ पड़े हैं? इन द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. नाउ दे हैव टू पास थ्रू द वॉल ऑफ स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन and they have to enter into the blood, and this process by which the simpler food item are absorbed by the passes from the lumen of small intestine and enter into the bloodstream, that is called absorption. So today we will discuss about absorption. So absorption of digested food, how do it happen? So first is the meaning of absorption. So absorption is a process by which end product of digestion, what were the end product we have discussed just now, they passes through the mucosa of alimentary canal and finally they enter into blood or lymph. Then further they have mentioned the nutrient which are absorbed, we have just now discussed which were the nutrient. Now is the site of absorption. So absorption take place in different part of alimentary canal. It may occur in the small intestine, it can occur in the mouth even, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. But the main site of absorption is small intestine. Clear? Okay. Now further, how the different components are being absorbed. So what are the different methods of absorption? So they are absorbed by different ways. They can be absorbed by simple diffusion. You know what is diffusion? We have studied earlier about diffusion in lower classes, as well as we have studied in third unit also. Diffusion में particles move from higher concentration towards lower concentration at their own. It can happen by facilitated transport. This also we have discussed earlier. It can be absorbed by active transport. You know it very well, energy का use करके. And it can be absorbed by osmosis. Now the various nutrient which are absorbed by different ways, they have mentioned here. Yeah, you can have a look here. The various nutrients like amino acid or monosaccharides like glucose, galactose, sodium are absorbed by active transport. कैसे absorb किए जाते हैं? Active transport से. आपको पता है active transport के लिए energy की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. However, it is important to note that small amount of monosaccharide, that is glucose, amino acid and some electrolyte like chloride etc. can be absorbed by simple diffusion. So this you have to know, you have to learn, you should know about it. Here is one more important point mentioned, that fructose is absorbed by facilitated transport. You know what is facilitated transport? In which there are specific ion channels, उनके through fructose transport होता है. Now next is the most rapidly transported monosaccharide is galactose, with glucose running a close second. And next is water. Then how water is absorbed? Water is absorbed by osmosis. The next component is most of the water soluble vitamins are also there in a food. such as B complex is there, as well as vitamin C. They are water soluble vitamins, and there is vitamin B, vitamin P also. How they are absorbed? They are absorbed by a simple diffusion process. Clear? Now next is fatty acid. This is very very important, children. This question is asked in exam. And how is the question asked? That explain how fatty acid are absorbed in small intestine. As we know that fatty acid and glycerol, they are the digestion products of fats. Fat ki digestion se we got fatty acid as well as we got glycerol. And we know that both of them are insoluble in water also. So they cannot directly pass. This is the lumen of alimentary canal. Here is fatty acid present and here is glycerol present. So as they are insoluble in water, they cannot directly pass into the bloodstream. So how they are absorbed then? They are absorbed with the help of bile salt. You know that bile salt is produced by the liver and it is released in the small intestine. So in the bile salt there are present actually what happens, ये जो fatty acids होते हैं and glycerol जो है, they are insoluble in water, so they cannot be absorbed by simple diffusion. First they are incorporated into small spherical vesicles or small spherical soluble droplet which are called micelle with the help of bile salt and phospholipid. And how? Suppose this is a fat molecule, this is a fatty acid. Clear? This is a fatty acid. Now what happened? The bile which is secreted by the liver, this is the bile secreted by the liver which contain bile salt. Now bile salt जो है वो इस फैटी एसिड को चारों तरफ से कवर कर लेगा. इन सिंपल वर्ड्स वी कैन से दैट कि ये जो फैटी एसिड है ये इसको ढक लेगा. जैसे सपोज यू वांट टू टेक अ टॉफ़ी इन द क्लास बट यू कांट ब्रिंग इट बिकॉज टीचर कैन सी. व्हाट यू कैन डू? क्या कर सकते हो आप? उस टॉफ़ी को छुपा के ला सकते हो क्लास के अंदर. यू कैन रैप, सपोज दिस इज द टॉफ़ी एंड यू कैन रैप दैट टॉफ़ी इन योर हैंकी. हैंकी के अंदर रैप कर लिया. So when you enter, someone will see, someone will find that this is toffee, this is your hanky only. It is not your, it is not, it doesn't contain any toffee. So same is here also. What happened here? Here also same thing happen. What is that? So in here also same thing happen as I told. क्या होता है यहाँ पे भी? This is the fatty acid. Yeah, this is the fatty acid. और जो बाइल सॉल्ट हैं वो उसको चारों तरफ से इस तरह से कवर कर लेते हैं कि वो दिखाई नहीं देता. और जो बाइल सॉल्ट हैं दे देमसेल्फ आर वाटर सॉल्युबल. तो ये पूरा के पूरा जो स्फेरिकल स्ट्रक्चर बन गया, दिस इज़ एक्चुअली कॉल्ड माइसिल. हियर इज़ गिवन माइसिल. सो दिस माइसिल इज़ अ वाटर सॉल्युबल कंपोनेंट, so it is soluble in water. Clear? So further what happened then? A micelle is, the question is asked sometime, what is a micelle? So it is an aggregate of many molecule in which the grease molecule or fatty acid is in the center and it is surrounded by bile salts from all the side. From the micelle the glycerides, sterol as well as fat soluble vitamins are absorbed into the intestinal cell. क्या हुआ? पहले यहाँ पे फैटी एसिड पड़ा था. फैटी एसिड के चारों तरफ क्या लग गया? फैटी एसिड को चारों तरफ से बाइल ने कवर कर लिया और ये जो स्ट्रक्चर बना, दिस स्ट्रक्चर इज कॉल्ड माइसिल. नाउ व्हाट हैपन फर्दर? नाउ दिस माइसिल एंटर इनटू इंटेस्टाइनल सेल. कहाँ चला गया अब ये? इंटेस्टाइन के सेल में. नाउ व्हाट हैपन विद इन द इंटेस्टाइनल सेल? Within the intestinal cell, what happened actually, you can have a look here. It is resynthesized in the endoplasmic reticulum. This was one of the cell of intestine where we have fatty acid. This was fatty acid and this is glycerol. दोनों के बाहर पहले माइसिल लगा था, अब माइसिल हट गया है. Now this is a cell of intestine and here is present an organelle which is called एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. तो एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम के अंदर ये दोनों चीज़ें चली जाती हैं, फैटी एसिड भी और ग्लिसरोल भी, और वहाँ पे ये दोनों आपस में जुड़ जाते हैं फिर से. एंड व्हाट डू दे मेक? दे मेक another kind of protein. They make, when the fatty acid and glycerol they join together, what do they make? They make again fat molecule. ठीक है, तो इंटेस्टाइन में आके फिर से फैट मॉलिक्यूल बन गया. अब क्वेश्चन है कि अगर फैट बनना ही था तो उसको ब्रेक होने की क्या ज़रूरत थी? हाँ जी, व्हाट इज़ द रीज़न बिहाइंड इट? क्योंकि फैट मॉलिक्यूल बड़ा था साइज़ का, इसलिए वो एज इट इज़ इंटेस्टाइन के सेल में नहीं जा सकता था, इसलिए डाइजेशन के प्रोसेस में पहले वो ब्रेक हुआ, फिर इंटेस्टाइन के सेल में जाके फिर से फैट जो है वो बन गया. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस व्हाट हैपन आफ्टरवर्ड्स. या वेट फॉर अ वाइल. ओके. Yeah, it form another fat molecule there. It assembles to form another fat molecule inside the intestinal cell, and that fat molecule is called chylomicron, as is written here. Now what happened? The later is now released in the from the intestinal cell into the lymph. अब ये जो काइलोमाइक्रोन है, ये इंटेस्टाइन्स के सेल से निकल के कहाँ चला जाता है? लिम्फ में. और लिम्फ जो है कहाँ प्रेजेंट होता है? लिम्फ कैपिलरीज के अंदर. दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट टू बी नोटेड दैट बाकी के जितने भी न्यूट्रिएंट हमने पढ़े, ग्लूकोज पढ़ा, अमाइनो एसिड पढ़ा, वो सारे के सारे एब्जॉर्ब होके ब्लड के अंदर जाते हैं, ब्लड कैपिलरीज में. लेकिन जो फैट होता है वो एब्जॉर्ब होके कहाँ जाता है? लिम्फ में जाता है. यू कैन हैव अ लुक एट द डायग्राम ऑल्सो व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग हियर. या हियर दे हैव शोन वेरी क्लियरली, इट इज़ मैंशन प्रोटीन वाज देयर. दिस इज स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन का ल्यूमन बताइए, सारी चीज़ें स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में पड़ी हैं. जहाँ प्रोटीन किस में चेंज हो गया? अमाइनो एसिड में. कार्बोहाइड्रेट किस में चेंज हो गया? सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म मोनोसेकेराइड में. अब देखो ये फैट ग्लोब्यूल्स हैं, उनकी पहले बाइल सॉल्ट ने उनको इमल्सीफाई किया, फिर वी गॉट फ्री फैटी एसिड एंड ग्लिसरॉल, फिर वो कहाँ चले गए? इंटेस्टाइन के सेल के अंदर. वहाँ पे हेयर इज एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. It combine with endoplasmic reticulum and form chylomicrons, and these chylomicrons then enter into the lymph capillaries. But if we talk about this side, so amino acid and monosaccharides, they enter inside the intestinal cell, and from there they directly went into the blood. So that's all for today. Thank you.